Welcome, fellow weirdos. I'm your host, Papa Za. Here at Weird Wild Pizza, we make weird pizza with wild sourdough. Check out the link below for our pizza dough recipe. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to join the weirdest pizza quest in the galaxy. A Buffalo Cauliflower pizza.
Flour, garlic powder, paprika, salt, black pepper, milk, whisk until smooth. Remove core and leaves. Add cauliflower to your batter. Make sure they're all coated, nice and even. Quarter cup hot sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Mix well. Add the parchment paper lined baking pan. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Flip and bake another 10 minutes. Flip and brush both sides with buffalo sauce. Bake an additional 5 minutes. Buffalo cauliflower. Remove your cauliflower from the pan and set it aside. Buffalo cauliflower again.
Let's give this delicious looking buffalo cauliflower a try. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Nice flavor, little bit of a kick.
1 cup ranch, flour, roll dough, flour lightly as needed, flour pizza peel, slide peel under dough, 1 cup ranch, 1.5 cups mozzarella cheese, 2 cups buffalo cauliflower, 1/2 cup mozzarella cheese, pat it down. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Buffalo cauliflower pizza.
Buffalo cauliflower pizza. Looks awesome. Wow. This is incredible. The ranch, oh my. This comes together so nicely. Holy. It's perfect. Thanks for watching Weird Wild Pizza. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. If you got a pizza challenge, leave a comment below. And be sure to check out what's up next.